Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making shrimp pasta. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 1 box of fettuccine, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of white wine, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and fresh parsley to garnish. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring to a boil. Now add your pasta, then cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove it from the heat, then drain your water. To the shrimp, add the garlic powder, paprika, and red pepper flakes. Now season with the pepper and your remaining salt, then mix until well coated. Using medium-high heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add the olive oil. Now cook your shrimp for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, remove them from the pan and set them aside until later. Now melt your butter. Now saute your onions for 2 minutes. Add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional 2 minutes. Add the white wine and heavy cream, then bring your liquid to a light simmer. Now add the Parmesan cheese and mix well. Return your shrimp to the pan, then add your pasta and mix until well coated. Now top with your parsley and continue cooking for an additional 4 minutes. Shrimp pasta is one of my all-time favorite comfort foods and really easy to make. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.